Do you want to easily replace your car spark plugs? Watch this video to the end. Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. Today in this video I am going to show you how to replace spark plugs on your car. First, we describe what spark plug is. A spark plug is a device for delivering electric current from an ignition coil to the combustion chamber. And its primary function is ignite the compressed fuel and air mixture. Failing spark plugs have signs that when you see them, it means it's time to replace the spark plugs. Okay. First symptoms is engine misfiring and others are difficulty starting the car, slow acceleration and high fuel consumption. And when you see these symptoms, it's time to replace them. The next common question about spark plugs is when to replace them. Well, for this, you should check your owner's manual, but usually standard spark plugs are set to last anywhere from 10,000 to 20,000 miles or 15,000 to 30,000 km. However, some spark plugs that are more expensive like iridium spark plugs can last 60,000. Okay. For replacing spark plugs, first, you should find ignition coil of your car that is over the spark plugs, or in some cars beside the spark plugs and is connected to them by some wires. There are several models of coils that some of them are not used in modern car. As you see in this picture, we have three models of coils that are commonly used in modern cars: rail type, pencil type, and the pack type. In the continuation of the video, we will show you some examples of these coils on some cars. First one that's used in this engine is pencil type. As you see, we have 4 in this engine. That's 4-cylinder engine. And in this, we have 4 pencil coils. And under the coils we have 4 spark plugs. Guys, it could has a little difference in its shape in different cars, but in general, it looks like this. Second type is the pack type that you are seeing it, and in this type, the coil is not placed over the spark plugs, but it is beside the spark plugs, and it is connected to them by wires. And, as you see, the spark plug is under the wire. Third type is the rail type. We leave these wires behind and remove the coil. And, as you see, it's our rail type coil and these are its wires. Guys, consider this point. That is not necessary to replace these wires every time you replace spark plugs. However, you should check their appearance and that they don't have fraction. But, generally, you should replace the wires once for every twice spark plug replacements. Okay. For replacing the spark plugs, we need some tools: a ratchet wrench, a socket adapter, a universal joint that you needed when the spark plugs were placed tilt, not vertically, and also need a long spark plug socket that is 16mm socket.
Okay.
As you see, the spark plugs are in these holes that have placed over the cylinders. Now, we start our main job: spark plug replacement. You should know that this process, replacing spark plug, is same for all cars, and that is not difficult at all. For remove the spark plugs, first, we loosen them by this. Then separate the ratchet wrench to do the process faster. For bringing out the spark plugs, we can use this wire. Now, you can see the difference between a used and a new spark plug. And the last step of the process is replacing the new spark plugs with used spark plugs. Put them in those holes, and tighten them by the ratchet wrench. If you enjoy the video, or this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned, we will share many new video of repairing cars that help you to fix your car easily, save money, and also learn new thing. Goodbye.